Accessibility also means pacing yourself and pretending you're admiring the view. Cafés vary, some steps, some ramps, some heroic staff improvising solutions. But when you find the right one, it's worth every step you didn't take. Winston approves. He approves of most things involving snacks. Then you reach the terrace, the one everyone posts on Instagram. And suddenly, the climb, the cobblestones, the slopes, they all make sense. Winston thinks he conquered the mountain. San Marino is old, older than most countries' problems, but it's choosing to modernize, quietly, respectfully, intentionally. Accessibility doesn't ruin history, it protects the future, and it opens the door for travelers who were never invited before. That's the heart of it, not perfection, participation. As the sun drops, the whole mountain glows, and you realize accessibility isn't a feature, it's a philosophy. Winston's philosophy is simpler, snacks and naps. But he's right about one thing. This place is special, a tiny republic, choosing to make space for everyone. And that's our report from San Marino, the tiny country on a mountain, doing big things.